Morning team, it's Thursday, February 16. Last night I had the dinner and this morning I overslept, so I will most likely skip London Open and go to New York directly. Also, news are in New York. I think London is pretty quiet. But yeah, let's have a look at charts anyway. So, let's start with weekly. Weekly right now it's like halfway and took last week low at the open and last week high. So weekly doesn't tell me anything. I think we're gonna close it again in this range. Looks to me like an accumulation week, but yeah. Daily, yeah, closed bearish, but we're back in discount. Failed to BMS lower. Right now it's pushing. H12 rejection blocks. Save the day. And yeah, doesn't tell me anything yet. Yesterday said the line chart is important, and right now print a lower high, but yeah, now it's printing higher lower, but let's wait. I think overall we need to go here in the 62 area. But yeah, the H4 that I marked out yesterday or like 2 days ago finally did this job, because this was an H4 raid and an H4 BMS bullish, so it went in extreme discount and is finally doing the push that was expected. Yeah, right now we are back in resistance. This is not really an order block. Well, actually, well, you can call it an order block because the broke this swing low, but yeah, it failed to break this low, so technically it's a weak high. Also, the flat open from yesterday is still there. I was looking, I'm not a big fan of SMT, but when it's big and strong, I like to observe them. And this is a big one. Dollar make higher high and euro failed to make a lower low. So technically this is bullish for euro, but it could be like already played out. This is like the SMT playing out, and now we can back to dump. But yeah, each one is a little bit more clear. To be honest, they're leaving so many levels untested. I think this BMS on H1 is the sign that we need to keep going lower. And now it's just a pullback above to resume the dump. But how high is the pullback gonna be? That I cannot say. Look, we are still in discount of the big move, and we got few resistance untested. We got the big rejection that I marked yesterday. We got this H1 in Asia yesterday untested with the flat top. We got this rejection untested, and right now it's pushing higher. I think we can easily go in one of these three levels before finding resistance again and continue to go lower. Also, look at this H1 in Asia. They didn't test it, just the fair value gap and pushed. That's why euro, I think, is a day trading pair. You need to go to low time frame to get clarity. Many times each one just leave you unfilled. Okay, let's have a look to low time frame. Yeah, look at this. This is weird. These lows. At some point they're gonna come back for this. They left like so untapped. Super suspicious. Okay, there are many levels here to work on. At least 15. I see many origin untested. This is where I had the short yesterday myself. There are many untested origins on the way up, so yeah. Right now the flow is up, so I wouldn't short. It's clear. I need some sort of shift on M15 to think to consider short. But I think as I said, I'm gonna skip London Open, and I'm gonna try to see if I see anything bearish in these areas of interest, and probably look for shorts. I'm gonna post my charts in the FXCO chat, so if you wanna see what I see, stay there. Yeah, this low is super scammy. I mean, couldn't even touch the other block. This low is gonna go at some point. Yeah, let's wait for clarity. Right now is pushing, there is no rush. To be honest, I don't see even longs myself. Oh well, this is a long. Yeah, M5 raid, M5 BMS. Actually, yeah, this was the nice one. M5, M1. Well, not the cleanest, huh? Yeah. This was very long. Anyway, that's enough for me today, guys. Video tomorrow and charts later. Let me see. Something like this, probably. Yes. In Asia's eye, liquidity. Yeah, this was a nice one. Anyway, woke up late, pay the price, doesn't matter. Just stick to your plan. Speak to you later, guys. Bye.